You join me today at Croft House in Sandiway. Croft House is a stunning detached family home that sits in 1 acre of gardens. The property was designed by John Douglas, a renowned Cheshire architect who's responsible for many outstanding buildings throughout Cheshire. Just take a look at the garden and the view. Croft House was built for the curate of St John the Evangelist Church in Sandiway. And originally in 1905, all the properties looked onto this shared open space. It is now a large private garden, and the view from the front of the property looks straight at the church tower. Croft House was purchased from the church by Mr Thompson, who at the time owned Northwich's Lyons Salt Works. It was purchased by the current owners in the 1970s, so has only been owned by 2 families since being built by the church in Edwardian times.